Click on the link below to get price. The 3800W Inverter Generator is a remarkable device that seamlessly blends power and convenience, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or emergency backup power. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive 3,800 watts of peak power, which allows it to easily run multiple devices simultaneously, including refrigerators, power tools, and electronics. Despite its power, the unit operates super quietly, producing only 58 dB, comparable to a normal conversation. This low noise level makes it perfect for use in residential areas or while enjoying the great outdoors. Portability is another significant advantage of this generator. Weighing in at just over 60 pounds, it is lightweight and features a built-in handle, making it easy to transport. Whether you're loading it into your vehicle for a weekend camping trip or moving it around your backyard for various activities, the design emphasizes user-friendliness. Safety is paramount, and this generator is equipped with a CO sensor that automatically shuts down the unit if dangerous carbon monoxide levels are detected. This safety feature provides peace of mind, especially when using the generator in enclosed spaces or during nighttime use. The inverter technology ensures stable and clean power output, which is crucial for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. The multiple outlets, including 120V standard and USB ports, cater to a variety of needs, allowing users to charge devices without worry. The fuel efficiency is commendable as well. With a runtime of up to 12 hours on a full tank at a quarter load, it minimizes the need for frequent refueling during extended use. The ease of starting, whether through a recoil or electric start option, is an added benefit for users of all experience levels. Overall, the 3800W Inverter Generator combines power, safety, and portability in a well-engineered package, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of reliable energy on the go.